going to make some beetroot and shallot soup, and it's roast beetroot and roast shallots. And in this pan, I've already got some that I've prepared. What I did with the shallots was to wrap them in foil and put a little bit, took the skin off, put a little bit of oil on, and wrap them in foil, put them in the oven for about half an hour, 3/4 of an hour, depends how big your shallots are. I also took about 4 cloves of garlic and I oiled them, wrapped them up in one piece of foil and tucked them in with the shallots, and they came out after about 20 minutes. So you don't want to leave those for too long, otherwise they will burn and dry out. And the other thing that I wrapped in foil was the beetroot, and I didn't skin the beetroot, so the beetroot is, as it is, it's still pretty hot. I'm just going to take a teaspoon and just scrape away the skin from it. I'm using, as you can see, I'm using gloves to just stop the beetroot getting on my hands. There's no other reason than that. I didn't really want pink hands for the rest of the day, but if you don't mind that, it's fine. And so just take that off, make sure all the skin's away. I'm going to just cut it into pieces and just pop those bits into the pan. And I've left one bit of shallot and there's a few bits of garlic there to go in as well, which I squeezed out of the skin. So the shallot I'm just cutting up as well. It's got little bits of garlic attached to it, and that can go into the pot. And the other thing I'm adding, which is quite a good thing for a thickener for soup, just if you don't want to put potato or anything else in, is chickpeas. So this is about half a can of chickpeas. I've got about a pint of stock and about 1/4 pint of milk, and take my gloves off now because I'm not going to stain them any further. And then some salt. This is just sea salt, but any salt will do. And pepper, good ground pepper. And then I'm going to use my blender stick here just to blend it, so it'll be a bit noisy for a second. If you have one of these stick blenders, you do have to be quite careful with them. If you keep pulling them on, full blast for quite a while, you'll burn the motor out. So short, sharp pulses with it is much better. So that is the soup just about ready. It just needs heating up and the seasoning adjusting, and then I would just serve it with a dollop of yogurt. But it's the most beautiful colour like this, and all ready to go, and really simple because the oven has done all the work and all you've had to do is just to whiz it up. You can add cream to it if you want to, but I find milk is good. But if you wanted to make it vegetarian or vegan, use a vegetable stock, and you could use something like an oat milk in it instead. But it's a really delicious, slightly earthy, slightly smoky flavour to it. So have a go. There we are. A little bit of yogurt. Greek yogurt. And a little bit of mint.